QSI stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Quantum SI, I see the price with a 15% negative, right, correction, which is not the best. The best thing to do here is just observe the higher time frame, which, you know, in this case, we absolutely delivered the top. Now it's in this correction phase, which is totally fine. Let me show you the before. Right, at the time, so 3 weeks ago, this is when I came here and made this prediction. Of me wanting to just double down on this and just absolutely demolish the top. Right, boom. So, just gonna get rid of that. Here's my top. And man, if I do not see the price absolutely just pulling down and giving me a shift, then there's just going to be no way that I'm going to look to take it further up. You know what I mean? So, all I will do in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting. If you want to learn my exact play and all the intricacies and all that good jazz for absolutely like risk-free, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already tried it. It's absolutely all 5 stars. Absolutely risk-free, by the way.